Hey guys, welcome back. It's your boy Gold Rabbit here. Thanks for tuning in on another episode of Minecraft. This is going to be my Minecraft series on how to make a nice little world in Minecraft. Anyways, the first series of this series is how to build a nice house. So I'm going to start off, guys, with showing you how to build a nice house. So I'm going to start off with some oak wood here, guys. And yeah, this oak wood would keep your house nice and warm. This is gonna be like a little tiny house, not too big, but pretty decent. It's gonna get you guys started on how to build in Minecraft. This is like for the guys that don't know how to build, but this is very basic. Anyways, let's get into it. Okay, so I'm making the perimeter of my little cabin here. Um, it's like a 10 by 10, I would say, to be honest. Okay, there we go, nice. Now I'm gonna want two doors, so I'm gonna knock out two blocks here, make them nice and centered. That's good. Okay, so I'm gonna go here to my crafting area, and I'm gonna just type in door. Whatever you're not sure of, you can just type it, and it'll pop up the doors. I'm gonna click on the tracks. I don't need the tracks anymore. So click on that, and then put the door in the track area. So you just all you're doing is typing, bringing your stuff in and out. Anyways, so I got the doors here. I'm gonna put one door here, guys. Make sure you make it like that. 1, 2. I want to make sure that door handles are facing towards each other like that, so it's more professional. Anyways, I was just trying to make it look like really professional because your boy Golden Rabbit is just trying to make a nice little cabin here, guys. So, anyways, we're gonna pop up all these blocks, guys. A lot of guys are asking me, hey, well, like, how high should I build my house? Well, I would say about 3 to 4 blocks high. But remember, you're putting on a roof too, so once you put on a roof, you're still missing one layer, so you might have to build one more layer up. Like, for example, if I put a roof here, that's not enough, so I have to build one more layer up because it's just not tall enough. So I'm going to do one more layer, like this, guys. Just going to build around a simple cabin, guys. And this is like anything. This is like real life too. When you build a little cabin, you're gonna just get it outlined. You're gonna build up the walls. You're gonna put doors in. It's very simple stuff, guys. If you can build in Minecraft, oh, of course you guys can build in real life. Anyways, I'm just gonna lay out these blocks here, guys. Okay, let's lay out these. Good. Okay, I'm gonna put these here. Nice. And I'm gonna put one more layer. And we're gonna be here. And this layer is gonna be the roof layer. So I'm gonna, there you go, I'm just filling these out side to side like that. Okay, guys, I want to do one last thing here. Just put some lights on the outside. Yeah, put one there. That looks good, actually. Put one right there. There. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty good. You have like two more in the front. Front light, kind of you can see walking on there. And yeah, that's it. That's my little tiny cabin. I'm gonna show you like this aerial view. I'm gonna jump up and fly around. There you go. It's like a nice cloud skies. Nothing too crazy. And then you got the front storage, front area kind of thing. And then you go inside, guys. Let me show you inside my crib. You got the bed. You got the box